So in the last video, we've seen that how we can add an app bar. So now we're gonna work on the body tag. So first thing, you need to make sure you are outside the app bar. Like this bracket starts here and it's ending here. So I'm gonna go out of the add bar and trying adding the body. So the body requires a widget. Now, a widget can be anything. We're going to discuss in details uh, all types of widgets in the next videos, but this is just the brief info because we're explaining about Scaffold. So I'm just going to add a simple widget, and because I want it in the center, so what I'm going to do, like I'm going to wrap this in the center widget, and then center has a child, so I'm gonna add a simple text that says hello world. So now that's the body. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna run the app and see, and you can see in the center hello world. You can make various changes, but I'm gonna discuss all the text or all the other widgets in details in the next videos. So that's all for the body, and as a part of Scaffold, make sure you like and subscribe and click the bell icon to make sure you're getting notifications as soon I upload the new video. Thanks for your time. Stay safe and be happy.